How's it going, guys? Got a little unboxing here. The first one's coming from Aquatic Foods. Let's see what's in this one. I already know what's in all of it. I ordered it all. Got some brine shrimp eggs. I guess I'm going to be hatching some brine shrimp. Guess what I'm going to use them on? Probably my angelfish. Also got the California blackworm and beef heart. 8-inch floating pellets. Gourmet blend. Let's read the rest of that there. Got that for my discus. On to the next item. We got an Aqua Neat. Wonder what it is. I bet it ain't a light. What are you gonna do? It's my Aqua Neat. Well, there went one part to it. It's a 350 gallon per hour pump. Comes with a little filter in there. Spray bar, all the little accessories. I'll put it down inside of a 2-liter bottle and make a good filter out of it. Could put it down in a sponge filter. I might even try that one. But I did drop one piece to it, no biggie. I know where it is. And one last package here. We'll see if we can get it open into it. Working with one hand, whether I got the camera sitting here stationary or not, guys. So bear with me a little bit here. Get it out. And the dreaded Sunsun or 4-outlet pump, adjustable. Of course, it's magnetic vibration. 4 outlets work pretty good. I've got 2 of them. This one here was ordered as a backup. I got it for 19 bucks. Can't complain about that. I don't remember what I paid for everything else. Just a little unboxing here for you guys. Everybody else does them. I know I didn't do a very good one. That's okay. But anyways, guys, I'll show you the filter I make with this pump. I already got one in my rainbow fish tank. I know I don't really speak a lot about it, but that's basically what it is. It's a little bit smaller pump than this one. But it works good for me. I like to pump. I don't know about the food and the brine shrimp. We'll get checking them out and see how they do. I'll give you a review on them later, guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Shut up. Here goes my dogs.